Hi, this is Dr. Mandelaris. I wanted to just reach out to all my colleagues during this difficult pandemic that we're all finding ourselves in and give you a little bit of inspiration. Our practice has been around for 40 years, and we've been here providing exceptional periodontal and implant outcomes. And the way we've done this is through a team approach. I want to let you know that these are difficult times, but through collaboration and through a team approach, we're going to get through this together. We're not a profession that can retreat to gold. We're not a profession that is largely going to be hinged on political conditions or market unrest. We're a profession that provides incredible transformative outcomes for patients that change lives. And we do this through the therapies that we provide, and we do this through the relationships that we have, not just with our patients, but also with our colleagues. I would tell you that this is the time for leadership. This is the time for calm, confident leadership, not just within your community, but also for your staff. So I want to reach out to you and let you know that we're here, we're thinking of you, and we're all in this together. We look forward to being a part of exciting treatment and novel therapies, collaborating as we once did as this stay-at-home issue is uplifted, and we can kind of get back to some level of normalcy. But we also realize that in order to be successful, we are going to have to band together. That means, how are we going to manage infection control policies? How are we going to change workflow patterns for patients? How are we going to instill value for patients who are thinking about how are they going to spend their discretionary money? What we do is not a commodity. What we do is change people's lives. And I would tell you, now more than ever is important to get it right. And the only way to really get it right is to make a correct diagnosis and provide the patient with opportunities for sustainable oral health for a lifetime. That is guided from a biologic compass and a periodontal conscience. And that can really only be achieved by using a team approach. So use Brad and I, use the specialists around you. I would encourage you to consider being a part of our Seattle Study Club and lean on the other restorative dentists, prosthodontists, endodontists, oral maxillofacial surgeons, dental anesthesiologists, and the vast network that we have so that we can make the best decisions for our practice and for our patients. We have the most trusted and respected resources out there to help us make the right decisions for our future. The tendency in times like this is for people to take a scarcity mentality and become depressed or scared. Who's going to have money to do my dentistry? Are there going to be any patients around when I'm able to reopen my practice? And I would tell you that Brad and I are taking a different approach. We're thinking about how are we going to contribute to get patients back on track, because in times like these, problems only mount, they become more severe and more complex. So now, more than ever, is the time to embrace collaboration. As a team, we have the solutions that can create the treatment plans and offer the financial packages for patients to do what is right for their long-term health. Do you honestly think that treatment outcome expectations for patients are going to be reduced because of this pandemic that we're going through? We have spent decades raising the bar of excellence of what we do, and that bar isn't coming down because of a global pandemic. Those expectations still are going to have to be met, and the best way to meet them head on is through a team approach. I can also assure you that going at it alone is not the solution. Now is the time to band together. Now is the time to embrace interdisciplinary dental facial therapy and elevate not just your practice, but also yourself through the network that we can provide. We all want to contribute to the very reason we became healthcare providers, and that is to better humanity and to help people. I promise you that we can elevate everyone's game if we stay connected and band together with our common purpose. So let Dr. DeGroot and I become a part of your team. Join our Seattle Study Club network and let us collaborate with you to get the very best outcomes for your patients. We're all in this together, and together we'll get through these difficult times. We have an incredible team and you can depend on us. We're here to help, serve, and we look forward to working together.